channel. If this is the first time you're watching me and today's video, oh my god, I am so excited about today's video because this has been a long requested video. So many of you have requested me for this video and honestly ये video बहुत पहले आ जाता, but as you guys know the transportation takes a long time and you guys can read from the title what video it is today. Yes, I'm gonna do an Urbanic try on haul. Yes, it's a try on haul and I am super excited. I made a few purchases last month but it took a long time to deliver and yeah, today I'm going to show you what all I bought from Urbanic. And if you guys like my regular content and like this video, please do not forget to subscribe to my channel. Also follow me on Instagram. The link will be given in the description as well as on the screen, and I post videos every Sunday and Wednesday at 2 PM, but this week there was a bonus video, so I posted another video on Friday at 2 PM. So yeah, generally I post 2, sometimes it's 3 as well. So without any further ado, let's get started with this video. These are all the purchases that I made and the one that I'm wearing is also from Urbanic. We'll talk about it later. Let's get started. And I love this summer color palette. Oh my god, these are all my favorite colors in one. I cannot believe I'm holding them together. So anyways, let's get started. So the first one is right over here. I wanted to start with lavender color because it's been the color of the season. So we'll start with this. I'll attach a picture over here and also attach the prices because they were on sale. So this is how the first one looks. I love it. Oh my god, I love this and I love this border lining with blue. It gives such a pop of color because lavender is such a pastel color. Yes, blue is also a pastel, but this blue is kind of a pop-up color to this top. It's also a crop top and you guys can see how pretty this is, and the material is really stretchable, so you guys can fit into it. If somebody has a larger chest area, then you guys can it's stretchable, so it's you guys will understand. The next one is this orange top. Oh my god, I am in love with these summer colors, how pretty they are and how vibrant they look. This is also again another crop top and it's got a beautiful flower over here which is white and yellow. This is how the flower looks, and this is also very pretty. It gives very Y2K vibes as well as 70s vibes, so I love it. There are so many ways to pair this up with. Yeah, I'm gonna make use of all these tops so much, just trust me. Then next we have something in the nude shade. I love nude, so I had to get something in nude, and this one is very chic, very classy. This is how this top looks. I always wanted to get something in this style. I did not have any, and it's got one shoulder which is full sleeves, and it's such a pretty and the color they were showing was apricot. And yeah, I'll attach the picture over here and I will link all the tops in the description, so please do not forget to check out my description box. And this is basically how it looks, and I've seen so many girls wearing this on Instagram, like so many, but still I could not resist buying this because it's such a pretty color, and I always wanted to get something in sage green, and this was perfect for me. This is how the top looks. I know my friends wear this. I legit know people who wear this, but still I could not resist. So many ways to wear this. Aajkal you can just button up first 3 buttons of you can just button up first 3 or 4 buttons and then you can leave it like that, or you can button the middle part and leave the upper half and the lower half open. So there are so many ways to style this and so many options. You can make so many color palettes out of this. I'm getting super excited because to be honest, just now I opened this and I fadak se wore this one, but this is also my first time holding them, so I'm super excited. And then I bought this scarf. This is a multi-purpose used colorful scarf and it's multicolor also, और इसके बहुत सारे options भी थे, color options भी थे. जितना भी मैंने टॉप लिया उसमें काफ़ी सारे color options थे. अगर आप लोगों को ये वाला कलर नहीं चाहिए तो you guys can definitely check out the different colors and you know कि आजकल bandana top या scarf top का कितना trend चल रहा है. You just can fold it and wear it like that. So yeah, I'm gonna do the try-ons. I wanted to get this top for the longest time. ये Shein पे था, ये बहुत सारे डिफरेंट इंस्टाग्राम साइट्स पेजेस में थे, बहुत सारे ऑप्शंस था ये लेने का, बट वेरी आई was always broke whenever I saw this piece. But this time I had to get this. Look at the shimmer. Oh my god, I cannot wait for the New Year's to arrive so that I can wear it. I am gonna probably wear it before that. But oh my god, I love this. I wish they had it in, you know, silver color. Silver as in nudish silver, if that makes sense. But anyways, black is also amazing. It looks so classy. Oh my god, it's eye blinding. And it's such a blinding top, but perfect for night outs and all that. So I love it. I legit love it. So this was the second last top, and then the last piece that we have in this haul, the last clothing piece we have in this haul is this yellow top, this yellow tie-dye top. This is how it looks. I haven't, you know, taken out the tag yet because I just said कि अभी मैंने निकाला and I फटाक से wore it, and it's perfect. You know, it's a perfect size crop top. I quite like it, but still क्योंकि मैं बाकी सारे ट्राई ऑन करके दिखा रही हूँ, मैं ये वाला भी ट्राई ऑन करके दिखा दूंगी. But this is how it looks on me. I'll show you, attach the image with the prices, and that you know, was the last piece. But I ordered only one pair of accessories from Urbanic, which is a necklace, a chain, and it's silver in color. This is how it looks. Wait, let me just, I have no idea how to, you know, wear it, but this one says love you more. I don't know if you guys can read it. And this is how it looks. I think ये गले में पहनने का है because it was a freaking necklace only, but I'm not sure. Okay, you're supposed to wear it like this, I think. I wanted कि ऐसे चोकर नेकलेसेस में ही मेरे को कुछ मिले जो मैं ऐसे अपर नेक, हाई नेक, क्रॉप टॉप्स के साथ पहन सकूँ. So this is how the necklace looks. I like it. I really like it. I love it. I can pair it up with so many pieces. All the tops I can actually pair it up with all the tops over here. And I really had no silver chain, so I really wanted to buy a silver chain so that I can, you know, wear it. हर टाइम में you cannot just pair golden chains. So that was all the pieces that I bought from Urbanic. I hope you guys enjoyed this try on haul. It's been so long since I made a try on haul and I can't wait to wear all these dresses. Do let me know what all videos you want me to make for you guys. I will definitely try and make those videos for you all, and I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you did, please don't forget to like, share and comment down below कि कौन सा आपका favorite था. And yeah, bye guys. I'll see you super soon in my very next video. Bye.